Visitor cat was up at the house when I was up there a little while ago. I posted a video so you can see him if you want to see him. I brought a bowl of food up there for him. Or her. It could be a her. Like I say him all the time, but I don't know what gender visitor cat is. It may be a her. But anyway, whoever it's a he or a her, or maybe, or she, he, her, he, him, her, he, her, I don't know, whatever. Seems the world is a confusing place these days. But whatever it is, maybe visitor cat identifies as a billy goat, who knows. But anyway, I know visitor cat definitely identifies as hungry, regardless of whatever other pronouns visitor cat uses. So I did put some food out for him, or her, or it, whatever. Let's go up and see if visitor cat found the food. We'll have a look and see here. We're in a flight path here, so we get airplanes. I don't know if you can see the airplane or not. I don't know. Anyway, let's keep moving up towards the food here, visitor cat's food. Yeah. We'll look over here. There's the trail. We'll look over here. See the pretty building here. I want to be quiet because I don't want to frighten visitor cat. Visitor cat's eating. Yeah, I don't want to frighten visitor cat. Well, there's the bowl. I don't know if the bowl's been touched or not. Let's go over and look and see. We'll see if the food level's gone down. It looks like it hasn't. I don't think visitor cat's found the food. We'll shake the bowl here. Summoning a family of raccoons instead. You never know, or something. I think this is kind of pretty, so let's have a look at it. Isn't that nice, eh? Very nice. Very nice. I like these little yellow flowers. I don't know what they're called, but I like them. Yeah, they're just a weed, but they're a pretty weed. Anyway, there's more raspberry bushes over here. See, there's the old barn. Yeah. See, our blackberry bushes, actually blackberry bushes is what they are. See that there? There's going to be blackberries someday. Someday soon. Alright. Anyway, visitor cat is nowhere to be found. But I'll leave that bowl there for now, in case visitor cat comes back this way. I wonder if visitor cat might be around at the house again. Visitor cat has a tendency to double back and go in different directions. Let's have a look and see if visitor cat's at the house. If visitor cat's at the house, then I'll do the feeding there. I will. See now then. See if visitor cat's at the house. Again. No visitor cat. Okay. Well, in that case, I'll put the food back here. Alright, I'll put it right back there and I'll head back to the camper. I gotta make breakfast. And I'm not feeling the greatest today, but I think the humidity's getting to me is all. These are kind of pretty when they die, when they go to seed. There's the pretty little white flowers too. Phlox or whatever they call them. Yeah, quite nice. Anyway. Yeah, that's it for now. There's the food if Visitor Cat wants it, and Visitor Cat will come and get it. Let's go back down to the camper, and I'm going to have to think of what I might be able to eat. I've been told by a lady I do some work for in town that these little flowers here are essential to the survival of a particular species of butterfly. There's something about these flowers that if these flowers stop existing, these little things, then that particular butterfly will also stop existing. But I can't remember the whole story now. Yeah, hey, ready, oh, things here. Anyway, that type of butterfly, whatever it is, will thrive in this environment. There's so many of them. Anyway, that's it for now. We'll see you later.